stomach growls? Feed the beast. Did you notice that your stomach growls the loudest in a silent room? That sound actually has a scientific name. Scientists call it borborygmi. It's the noise your stomach makes when it's empty. It happens when your stomach moves air and digestive juices around. So basically, your stomach isn't angry. It's just letting you know it's empty. It's just reminding you that it's time to eat. Maybe pizza! So if your stomach growls in public, don't panic. Just feed the beast. And that's today's body mystery solved. For more weird human facts, stay tuned to Bonecast.